Brayden, my little nephew with the puppies. I was recording it, just turned off, so not sure what happened. But they are loving him. I think you're loving this too, aren't you?
Yeah. It's warm.
It's warm. Just seeing if you're hiding any milk somewhere. Checking you out. Make sure purple doesn't go over. That purple up there. Yeah. And Red is over here. She doesn't have her collar on. They are starting to play and bite each other's collars, and someone must have taken hers off last night. So start saying the colors, Brayden. Can you point to them?
So I can pick them up and hold them.
That's turquoise you're holding.
Turquoise.
Just point to them with your finger.
Turquoise, black.
Okay.
Navy blue.
Okay.
Purple. Orange.
Orange, okay.
Dark blue.
That's one of the reds, and he's yeah, that's more of a, yeah, he's a royal blue, red. And red, oh, who's that, light blue?
Light blue. Green.
Green. Royal blue.
Royal blue. Yeah.
Red. Male.
And
Who's that right there?
red.
Oh, that's red female. Okay. All right.
Okay.
Everybody's here.
Mhm.
Did you get purple?
Yeah.
Purple's down here, chewing on your socks.
She went right here and then she went all over.
Oh, okay. She just moved. Okay. All right. They're going to be little cuddlers. I think they would fall asleep on you, Brayden.
These two are laying your head on.
I know. Like they want to go to sleep. Maybe you're warm too. Yeah, they are. They're getting quiet. You're going to have to stay here for until they wake up. Yeah, just be real still and let them sleep. Don't wake them up.
Okay, I can make some.
All right. There they are. It's Sunday, so they'll be 4 weeks on Tuesday. Lots of fun.